Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to transfer contacts from iPhone to Android. So right now I will show you the best way to easily transfer your iPhone contacts to an Android phone. First of all, on your iPhone, you have to open Contacts app and now tap on List, and to transfer all of your iPhone contacts, just hard press on all contacts and tap on export. And here you can export all of your contacts with contact photo, first name, last name. So I'm going to selecting all of these and just tapping on done. And now here tap on save to files and select a folder where you want to export your iPhone contacts, and you can also rename the exporting file and just tap on save, and you have successfully exported all of your iPhone contacts. And now it's time to upload our exported contacts in our Google Contact. So in your iPhone, just open a browser and open contacts.google.com. Once you are in Google Contacts homepage, here make sure to sign into your Google account, in which account you want to upload your iPhone contacts. And now just tap on import contacts and tap on select file. And now from your iPhone Files app, you have to select the exported VCF file that you just exported with all of your iPhone contacts. So select the file and just tap on import. And as you can see, all of my iPhone contacts are importing in my Google Contacts. It may take some times, and that's it. I've successfully imported. And now we will download all of these contacts in our Android phone. To do that, go to your Android phone browser and do the same thing. Open contacts.google.com, and now on your Android phone you have to use the same Google account. So make sure you have successfully signed in using the same Google account in your iPhone and Android. Now once you are in your contacts page, here you will find all of your iPhone imported contacts. Now we will export all of them. So select any of them and just tap on this drop down, tap on all to select all contacts. Once you select it, now tap on this three dot and tap on export, and here select Google CSV file and tap on export and tap on download, and all of your Google contacts will be downloaded in your file manager. Now we will import all of them in our Android phone contacts app. So go to your contacts app and tap on this tap on this hamburger menu and tap on manage contacts, and here tap on import contacts and import from, tap on phone, tap on download, and in your phone download folder you will find the VCF file that you just downloaded from Google Contacts. Just select the file and tap on done, and here you have to select iPhone because we are going to import contacts in our iPhone, and just tap on import. And as you can see, I've successfully imported all of my contacts, and here we can see all of them. So this is how we can easily transfer iPhone contacts to any Android phone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.